That means if I tell the patient you are going to live for 4 months, even if that patient was to live for so many years, those vibrations are going to work the subatomic particle at the atoms and atomic configuration, the cellular multiplication, and that cellular multiplication is going to guide the amino acids, the DNA, to create a structure which will increase cancer, which will stop the functioning of the organ, and the person will die in 4 months. This is called nocebo effect in medical science. And if you say, come on, I will do my best. You do your best. So our best will create an outcome of the best, and what is best is your health, your good health. The spoken words, it creates placebo effect. You understand? And I will request all the medical doctors, those who are practicing Shiva Yoga, never use nocebo. Use only placebo. In Shiva Yoga science, what we were taught about the healing principles, the first thing is the mantra. The mantra. And actually every word which we speak is a mantra. And especially the person who holds an authority, especially the person who is very well respected, especially the person who is so much believed by others, every word which he is going to speak is a mantra. So you must ask yourself, am I going to chant a mantra who is going to heal that person? Or am I going to chant a mantra who is going to kill that person? Although, according to FDA rules, you are supposed to tell the consequences to the patients. But these consequences are based on the drugs which a pharmaceutical can produce. It is not based on your real caliber. Yes or no? Yes. So you have to become a real medicine, alive medicine. So even if the FDA rules are there, you can tell them that my speaking the truth is not going to be based on the availability of the medicine. My speaking on the truth is based on the caliber, the energy and the wisdom which the rigorous training I have gone through for 15 long years. It is based on that and not based on just little information. The medicine is available or not available. Even if the medicine is not available, I as a doctor and he as a patient, both of us are going to work actively and we are going to ensure the cure. Cure is possible.